I'm Linda the Style Sherpa. Today I want to talk to you a bit about pomades and how to use them in your hair. If you've ever struggled with this area, you're not alone. You may have something that might be a little bit too strong for your hair, much like a clay if you just want to add a little bit of texture. Clays are fantastic if you really want something to lay smooth or really stand up really strong. Clays are excellent in really short hair or very stiff, stubborn hair. The other option I want to introduce you to is one that's a little bit lighter and thinner and more fibrous. Both products take about the size of a pea to start with, or a pearl. Move them around in your hand and your fingertips. Now, the secret to this is where you're putting it and how you're applying it. Think about putting the back of your fingertips to the scalp of your head, on your scalp, and then put the hair in your palm. Now you're just going to scrunch around. And if you were around for the 80s, you know how to scrunch. Then, same thing, back of the fingertips to the head, putting the hair in the palm. This way you're scrunching around, moving that product out of the palm and out of the fingertips into your scalp, creating more body through the hair and getting a more windswept, more natural look. Lots of body, lots of lift, and we didn't go anywhere near the root. This will give your hair a lot more natural flow, some body, and some natural windswept look. But it's a fantastic product to be able to give you something to play with in your hair and give it a little bit of extra special oomph. I hope this helps you. I'm Linda the Style Sherpa. Join me here and on my channel and my website for more insightful tips on how to keep you styled.